From Sooner Standards, Cybersecurity, Protecting Personal Information, a complete Grade 5 computer science unit for Oklahoma Standard 5NICY01. Students learn to discuss real-world cybersecurity problems and identify strategies that protect personal information online. Inside, a full teacher guide with pacing, misconceptions, and a scoring rubric, plus a content lesson with built-in comprehension checkpoints. New this update, a standard mastery rubric for teachers and parents, a visual threats and protections comparison chart, a CS careers connection, and an AI connection, all built to the Oklahoma HQM rubric. Plus a 12-question assessment with answer key, group and individual activities, vocabulary puzzles, a family letter, and a certificate of achievement. That's 3 to 4 days of no prep, HQM-aligned instruction across 35 ready-to-print pages. Find it at Sooner Standards on Teachers Pay Teachers.